the big warm sun, or a rubber ducky when bath time's fun. Yellow is happy, yellow is bright. Show me something yellow, hold it up in the light. Green, green, green like the grass and trees, or crunchy green peas and broccoli, please. Green means grow, green means play. Find something green and shout hooray. Orange, orange, orange like a pumpkin or fruit, or a tiger's stripes in a jungle suit. Orange is zippy, orange is neat. Find something orange and tap your feet. Purple, purple, purple like grapes on a vine, or a pretty purple flower looking so fine. Purple is royal, purple is sweet. Find something purple, stand up on your feet. Pink, pink, pink like a flower so sweet, or a yummy cupcake that's a tasty treat. Pink is soft, pink is bright. Find something pink, hold it up to the light. Brown, brown, brown like a teddy bear's fur, or a yummy chocolate bar, yes sir. Brown is cozy, brown is warm. Find something brown on a farm or in a barn. Black, black, black like a cat at night, or a starry sky when the moon's so bright. Black is cool, black is neat. Find something black and tap your feet. White, white, white like a fluffy snowflake, or a glass of milk with cookies to bake. White is pure, white is bright. Find something white, what a lovely sight. Colors, colors everywhere we see. Red, blue, yellow, green, orange, purple.